Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find apps. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special Access. Here we have to find the section which is called Install Unknown Apps. Let's tap on it, and as you can see we've been transferred to the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. And of course you can change it whenever you want to, so just find the app you'd like to allow and tap on the switcher, and from now on the app is has been granted the permission to download some content. Of course be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that. Of course it will work the same with all other apps, so just find it and tap on the switcher in order to activate it. And if you want to remove previously granted permissions, just do the same, so tap on those switchers. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.